Pop-up notifications on WhatsApp can be useful, but sometimes they can be quite annoying, especially when they constantly interrupt your train of thought or activities on your phone. If you want to get rid of these pesky interruptions, this tutorial is just for you. I'll show you how to easily turn off pop-up notifications on WhatsApp on your Samsung Galaxy phone and enjoy an uninterrupted experience with your device. Ready? Let's go. First, open the settings on your phone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the Apps option. When you find it, tap it to open. When you open Apps, you'll see a list of all installed apps on your phone. You need to find the WhatsApp app. To save time searching among all the apps, simply tap the search icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then type WhatsApp in the search field and tap the app when it appears. Once you open WhatsApp, you will be in the app's settings. There, look for the Notifications option and tap it. Finally, in the Notification Types section, you will see the Pop-up option. Tap it to turn it off. Once you turn off this option, pop-up notifications from WhatsApp will be completely disabled. The changes will be automatically saved, so you don't need to confirm anything further. And that's it for this video. Now, WhatsApp notifications won't pop up on your screen anymore. They will only appear in your notifications, allowing you to use your phone more peacefully. If this video was helpful, leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, I'll see you very soon in my next video.